confession of his children arriving in court for day one of their father's sex trafficking trial in New York. Hands gripped in solidarity.
Do you still believe your dad's innocent? How did you feel hearing that testimony? Have you apologized on behalf of your father?
Do you believe your father's innocent?
Do you still convinced your father's innocent?
Your daddy got 4 years! Your daddy got 4 years for abusing women! That's wrong! He should get more!
Fight this to the end. He's innocent.
My skin, I'm gonna get you
Not afraid of the charge. Nothing that's
It's like the OJ all over again.
Hello. This is a prepaid collect call from Federal Correctional Institution, Fort Dix.